Number 1. 1981 Ford F-150 regular cab short box, $2,500, Springfield, Oregon. This 1981 Ford F-150 short bed pickup is powered by a 240 cubic inch inline 6, paired with a top-loader 3-speed manual transmission and Hurst shifter. The owner replaced the original 300 inline 6 due to low oil pressure, along with clutch kit, flywheel, alternator, starter, power steering pump, and several other components, all documented. With a strong running engine and solid cab panels, this truck offers impressive mechanical reliability and is a great candidate for restoration. Some rust is present on the passenger rear bedside, but patch panels are available. A solid Oregon workhorse ready for light restoration or continued use. Number 2. 1959 Ford F600 dump truck, $2,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1959 Ford F600 is a working classic, featuring a 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck runs well, with a functional twin-ram steel dump bed, though brakes and lighting need attention. Used as a dependable farm truck for a decade, it remains in good running shape with new tires and battery. Ideal for collectors who appreciate mid-century heavy-duty Ford craftsmanship or those seeking a vintage utility hauler. Number 3. 1976 Ford F-150 Project, $1,500, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1976 Ford F-150 project truck presents a rust-free body with a strong patina and a 460 cubic inch V8 engine that turns over freely. Equipped with automatic transmission and factory air conditioning, it's missing several parts including the title, carburetor, distributor, tailgate, and steering column. With its clean body and solid frame, this Ford is an appealing foundation for a Restomod or custom build for enthusiasts ready to tackle a full restoration. Number 4. 1985 Dodge Ram 50, $1,350, Escondido, California. This 1985 Dodge Ram 50 compact pickup is a reliable small farm truck powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission. While the title is missing and the condition is basic, these Mitsubishi-built Dodge pickups are known for their simplicity and toughness. Affordable and practical, this one would make a dependable small workhorse or a light restoration project for fans of compact classics from the 1980s. Number 5. 1987 GMC Sierra Classic, $3,000, Tucson, Arizona. Offered with 74,000 miles on the odometer, this 1987 GMC Sierra Classic features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. The automatic gearbox has been rebuilt, and the truck includes dual gas tanks. It reportedly runs well when fuel is poured into the carburetor, suggesting a minor fuel delivery issue. With a solid body and light rust typical of Midwest origins, it's a strong candidate for a light mechanical refresh or reliable weekend driver. Number 6. 1983 Ford F-250 Diesel, $1,700, La Center, Washington. This rugged 1983 Ford F-250 is powered by the durable 6.9-liter diesel V8, paired with automatic transmission and factory overdrive. It runs strong and includes newer tires, partial fifth-wheel mount, and a jib crane setup with an electric winch. Though cosmetically rough, it's functionally sound. An ugly but reliable farm truck, ideal for heavy hauling or rural property use. Number 7. 1954 Chevrolet 5-window half-ton pickup, $8,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. A beautifully aged 1954 Chevrolet 5-window step-side pickup, powered by a 235 cubic inch inline-six from 1957, mated to a 4-speed manual. This classic features a rebuilt plywood bed, 12-volt electrical conversion, new radiator, exhaust, and other updates. Some cab rust remains, but major repairs were previously done. With a rare Barden bumper and clean Oregon title, this Chevrolet offers timeless mid-50s style and strong mechanical reliability, ideal for weekend cruising or further restoration. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet C10, $10,000, Sandpoint, Idaho. This remarkably clean 1965 Chevrolet C10 long bed truck features its original 292 cubic inch inline-six with tasteful upgrades including electronic ignition, aluminum intake, dual-barrel carburetor, disc brakes, new suspension components, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It runs smoothly and remains nearly rust-free, aside from minor kick panel spots. A dependable, drivable classic that merges originality with subtle modern enhancements. Perfect for those wanting a classic daily cruiser. Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet C10, $7,777, Sacramento, California. Powered by a 292 cubic inch inline-six and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1964 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a running classic that fires up consistently. With typical rust areas and a few replacement panels included, it's ideal for a straightforward restoration. The wooden bed floor remains in usable shape. At 62 years old, this C10 represents the golden era of Chevrolet's durable pickup design. Number 10. 1953 GMC pickup, $24,500 at Buffalo, Oklahoma. This stunning 1953 GMC half-ton pickup has been fully restored and runs beautifully with its inline-six engine and 3-speed manual transmission. It features front disc brakes, chrome wheels, 5 new tires, and an oak bed with sideboards. Capable of highway speeds, it combines vintage appeal with modern drivability. A high-quality restoration that offers both collector appeal and practical usability. A show-ready truck that can still be enjoyed on the road. Number 11. 1975 Chevrolet Silverado, $8,500, Alberton, Montana. This 1975 Chevrolet Silverado Camper Special is powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 mated to a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic transmission. It includes a fabricated flatbed with integrated 5th-wheel hitch, dual fuel tanks with heater, and upgraded LED lights. Recent replacements include carburetor, distributor, alternator, and many key components. Strong running and built for heavy-duty towing, this truck is a rugged and capable piece of 1970s American engineering. Number 12. 1992 Ford F-150, $123, Caseyville, Illinois. A project or parts truck, this 1992 Ford F-150 4-wheel drive has its engine partially disassembled. Equipped with 355 limited slip gears, it's offered either complete or for parts. Some rust is visible above the right wheel well. An inexpensive buy for someone seeking components or looking to rebuild an early 90s F-150 with off-road potential. Number 13. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $9,500. Canoga Park, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is a family-owned survivor powered by a 350 cubic inch diesel V8 and automatic transmission. With only 56,500 miles, it has lived most of its life stored in a barn. Recent maintenance includes new tires, brakes, fuel pump, and transmission service. Though there's rust on the windshield pillar, the rest of the truck is clean and solid. Exempt from smog testing, it's an excellent base for a diesel preservation project or gas engine swap. Number 14. 1966 Ford F100, $15,000, Dana Point, California. This beautifully maintained 1966 Ford F100 long bed pickup features a 302 cubic inch V8, manual transmission, and numerous upgrades. It sports new wiring, reupholstered seat, relocated fuel tank, front disc brakes, and a digital dash from Classic Industries. With new bushings, steering column, and tires, it's road-ready and mechanically refreshed. A tasteful blend of originality and modernization, offering a dependable and stylish piece of mid-1960s Ford truck heritage.